STEM class is really cool, but I wonder what these components are. These are called resistors, and it says here they limit the amount of electricity.
Oh, well, Epoxy, which is a manufacturing company in Olean, New York, makes a powder coating which insulates electrical devices like resistors.
Well, let's find out.
Ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy outrageously cool acts of manufacturing. Coming in at number 5, the aging machine.
It's called a QUV chamber. And these are the panels. 1,000 hours in this device is supposed to mimic 1 year of outdoor exposure.
Wow, if I could only jump in there, that would be cool.
Number 4, the simulation station.
This is the pilot plant. The raw materials are going to go in through the top here. This is where it gets heated up and mixed, and it comes out the end, and then it goes through the chill rolls just like it would in production. That's going to spread the material out in a sheet, cool it down.
Wow, it's production on a smaller scale.
It's going to go down through these tunnels, which are liquid nitrogen cooled, and then the material gets ground up at the end.
Coming in at number 3, Soul Epoxy's Flex Machine.
Flex test, that's a cool way to test quality.
So when we run it, this part's going to go up a little bit. That's what it's doing, it's pulling it apart. And then you hear a crack. And right here's the part where it broke. And that'll give you pounds.
What is your job in the manufacturing process?
Chemists make a new product and I'll run.
Number 2, the ingredients.
This is our pre-blend area. There is very specific instruction ingredients on what to do and when that the operators are following.
It's everyday baking to perfection. That's cool. Once all the materials are added into the blender, mix it, and then it will drop down to the next level.
Coming in at number 1, employees.
There are 4 chemists here. There are 3 development chemists and 1 environmental chemist. About half of our staff is involved in production.
I mean, it's pretty neat to get to work with all the kinds of materials that we make.
What do you think is so cool about your job?
And trying to communicate with people in Italy or Spain or India. Time frames are different. So I think I get a little bit of cultural experience.
That is what is so cool about Epoxy.